So hello everyone, this is Prathamesh Gotad and today I will be briefing about CNC machining and additive manufacturing. So let's see. So what is CNC? So what is CNC machining? CNC, first of all, it stands for Computer Numeric Control Machine. Computer numeric control means what? So machine is controlled numerically with the help of computer. So CNC machining is a metal fabrication method where written code controls the machine in the manufacturing process. So here in CNC machining we are using the codes to control the machine. So code is nothing but it is in a digital format which determines everything, like from movement of the tool, like here you see the movement of the tool like in X, Y and Z direction, then the speed of this spindle, everything it is determined by the code. So CNC machining, it has no limitation, so it is suitable for a wide range of materials. As I said, it is not only limited for metal fabrication only, it is used for metals, then plastics, foams and composite and wood materials also. Then there are some types of the CNC machines, like this is there is a lathe machine is used, then laser, plasma, water jet, milling, etc. machines, CNC machines are used in industries. Next, we will see about the history. Now in history, the CNC machine was first invented by the MIT, but there was a need of the CNC machine. Like in 1955, the US Air Force defined the need of the CNC machine. They require the CNC machine. That's why first of all, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that MIT, built the first machine and announced the automated tool programming language. In 1960s, the DNC, that is direct distributed numerical control or direct numerical control machines were launched, and in 1980s the CNC machine is introduced. And in 1997 we got one advancement, that is we can attach the PC, that is personal computer operating system, to a CNC. So here we can see how the CNC machine evolution took place from 1955 to 1997. The CNC machine is, first of all, it is fully automated machining. So here all we need is to that digital file, that is a code files, that is having instruction about how that machine tool or that work table should follow. So CNC machine, first of all, that machining process starts with the CAD modeling, CAD software. So like CATIA, then SolidWorks, then Fusion 360, AutoCAD. So these are some CAD softwares are there. So we have to design a CAD model with proper dimension for that workpiece, and then this CAD model is fed to the CAM software. So CAM means nothing but the computer aided manufacturing. So computer aided manufacturing software prepares that model of the whole fabrication process. So first of all, it is checks for the models for the errors, so like it is fed by the CAD software. So then it creates a CNC program to fabricate the physical parts. So first of all, in earlier time we have to manually type that code, but now in CAM software we have to just import that CAD file, so it automatically generates the CNC code. Lastly, software determines the nesting. Nesting means what? So we have to determine the orientation and placement, like optimum material waste will be there, and so that particular orientation and placement of the part of the raw material is done by the nesting technique. Then as I said, the codes in digital format are used for the instruction in CNC machining. So these codes are nothing but the G code and M code. So there are two codes, that is G code and M code. G code is nothing but what? Geometric code. Geometric code means what? It determines the movement and speed of the cutting heads. Like there is a G00. So G00 is nothing but the rapid travel. Then G01 is a linear interpolation. So there are n numbers of G codes which are used for the movement of the cutting tool. Then M code is nothing but the miscellaneous code, or it is also called as a machine code. So these are used for basically which it gives the information that G code overlooks. So it gives the information about the machine tool. or it is gives miscellaneous information like M30. So M30, it is the end of the program. Then M08, that is coolant on. Then M09, coolant off. And like M03, that is spindle rotation. So these are the some miscellaneous codes. Okay, so by combining this G code and M code, we get this digital file of instruction which is used for CNC machining. Then additive manufacturing. So additive manufacturing means what? So adding of the material. Additive means what? Adding of material. In CNC machining, where in conventional machining we are removing the machining material from the workpiece, but in additive manufacturing we are adding the material. So it is a nothing but a 3D printing technique, like we can see in this photo here. This printer, 3D printer, is printing this Eiffel Tower of the model, small model of the Eiffel Tower. So it is a process of building an object one layer by layer, and it is fundamentally additive rather than subtractive. Like as I said, it is addition of the material. So 3D printing can refer to a variety of processes in which the material is either deposited or joined or solidified under the computer control to create the three-dimensional object with the metal being added together. Then there are certain techniques like stereolithography, SLA, then selective laser sintering, then fusion deposition modeling is there, then direct metal laser sintering, electron beam modeling. So here what happens, the small thin wire of a like plastic material or metallic material, it is which is wound in a reel. So it is heated and it is fed to this 3D printer. So it prints the metal object, it prints the 3D object layer by layer. So that is nothing but the additive manufacturing. So you can see here the some CNC made products and some 3D printed products. So CNC made products are here the material, here you can say these threaded parts and then this hole. So this is, here the material is removed. And CNC machines are basically nowadays used where the high accuracy, high precision is required, high surface finish is required. These are some like these threaded bolts, studs, and these kind of products are made by the CNC. And this on the right hand side you can see these 3D printed products. So here like this guitar base, then this mobile case, and all n numbers of products we can print by this 3D printing technique. So and basically this particularly used in medical products where the we have to perform the practical, but we cannot perform the practical directly. So we should have some model to perform the practical. So 3D printed products are used there. So thank you.